This is bad season, hey, cause I smell like stupid red. I ain't mad, get the bad, I ain't ever mad.
You know me like a cow daddy. Turns good, so turn the heat up and I'm sure everybody gon' feel me. Turns good, shit looks like my dream top like cake burned up no sweat. Matter of fact, when this woman so heavy, gon' take the little bitch to move me. That is what's up. Just step for I step, ain't so loud. When I walk low, respect, don't take a second, I'm a doctor move. Tell you won't get checked. Okay, I bet, promise you come on, man. I'm bigger than you, ego. Just me, you and I, put the Valentino. Big like Honey Figo, so this shit is not show. Cameras on me, flash mode. This is bad season, hey, cause I smell like stupid red. I am made to get the bed better, run it, ever made. Get the bed, better run it, ever made. Get the bed, better run it, ever made. Run it, ever made. Run it.
Black team, firemen go insane. I make the room dark as soon as I step inside. With the whole crew certified. Wrong be short is my side. Do what it is, get started when I put the chrome to straight fire. Broke it over the rocks, the man is taking over the fell ride. Just in case, satisfied. Don't think it's not about it. Get hot, just come on top. Let's make it race for feel alive. I'm bigger than your ego. Just me, you and I know. Put the Valentino. Big like Honey Figo. So the shit is not show. Cameras on me, flash mode. Wow. Moving faster than the time. Forget the pressure, catch the flash. All this noise is making pain. This is bad season, hey. Guess I smell like stupid red. I ain't mad, get the bed better, run it, never play. Get the bed, better run it, never play. Get the bed, better run it, never play. Run it, never play. Run it.
Aurora, make some noise!
I pop it.
Let's go! Let's party, okay? Move it!
Tell me what you trying, can you tell me what you? Tell me what you trying, can you tell me what you? Tell me what you trying, can you tell me what you? Tell me what you trying.
I wake up, I log in, lights in my face and I'm in. Get the knee and skin, I'm going, keeping it cute, keep it excited.
Reason to come up for I'm messing face. What's in my mind cannot be traced. And I won't say much, just get to face. Two thumbs up and highs like this and a
Tap, swipe, pop, slash, post, in, out, pop. Red, beat, girls, rise. How to win a mind, shit in my love.
I'm like a villain and I'm killing like a boss. King time, I'm going, I'm feeling to my whole side. Emoji, what's a meaning, go read between the lines.
Don't wanna be a wonderful. See now I bet this wonderful. Don't really care be beautiful. Don't wanna be a vulnerable. See now I bet this wonderful. Don't really care I'm beautiful. I'm beautiful.
Mask on, oh mask off, no telling what's true. Ain't that what we all do? Hell, talking to you.
I kinda like the thrill, distorting things I feel. Emoji knows the drill.
I'm faking cause it's real. That everybody's ill. Emoji knows the
Okay. Hey. Don't make most of what you see. Substance love to see who can it be. Jack yourself eyes entity. Serve the face, yeah, play the role. I'm so go. Tap, tap, refresh on the reason you scroll. Oh, yeah, with the chest don't type on. You want a real thing, you gotta be bold. If you ain't my mode, just read the whole. Just ain't no filter. Here, yeah.
Don't wanna be a vulnerable. See now I built this wonderful. Don't really care, I'm beautiful.
Don't wanna be a vulnerable. See now I built this wonderful. Don't really care, I'm beautiful. I'm beautiful. Mask on, no mask off, no telling what's true. Ain't that what we all do? But hey, I'm talking to you.
I kinda like the thrill, distorting things I feel.
Emotion knows the drill. Get that? What's up, what's up, what's up?
I'll take it cause it's real. That everybody's ill.
Emoji knows the drill. Get that? What's up, what's up, what's up?
Everybody! Let's go,
Wanna get tired?
Gusto niyo pang mapagod? Okay. Gusto pa na mapagod eh. Pero again guys, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Sana po nagustuhan niyo po ang aming opening performance. Pero bago ang lahat, syempre magpapakilala po tayo.
Sige.
Sige po, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala si Pablo, what's up?
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po nga pala si Josh.
What is up, Aurora? What is up, Aurora? It's your boy, Sel!
What's up, Aurora? Ako pa nga si Ken.
Good evening, everyone. Ako po si Justin.
And syempre, we are
SB19!
Gusto ko lang tanungin, sino ba yung mga umatan kahapon?
Madami-dami.
Marami-rami. Eh, sino yung mga ngayon lang umatan? Nag-enjoy ba kayo so far? Huwag kayong mag-alala. Kasi mas mag-e-enjoy pa kayo sa mga ipapakita namin tonight.
Siyempre gusto namin magpasalamat sa lahat ng umatin ng day 1. Pero siyempre day 2 kayo, mabuhay kayong lahat. Alam namin, last performance na namin or last performer na kami ngayon. Pero sana yung energy nyo, ibigay nyo pa hanggang dulo. Let's go!
Let's go!
This is our second time here and our second day. And grabe, sobrang ramdam namin ng energy and sobrang nakikita namin na parang dumoble kayo since yesterday. So we're very happy and we're very honored na makapag-perform dito ngayong gabi.
Grabe nga. Alam mo, parang ngayon ko lang ulit nakikita na ganito karami dito sa Clark.
Right.
At syempre, gusto namin lahat. Walang aalis dito nang hindi nakangiti after na tong set na ito. Okay ba yan?
Okay, Tay. Siyempre, it's our second day and talagang nag-prepare kami for this lineup today, for tonight. So, abang-abang lang kayo, baka mamaya may extra song pala. So, we're making it special just for you guys. Thank you so much.
Yan, katulad nga ng sinabi namin, hopefully kung gaano kami kasaya ngayon, sana ganun din kayo kasaya. And syempre, sabi nga ni Josh, walang uuwi nang hindi nakangiti. So, gusto namin, ibangan nyo lahat ng memories na magagawa natin tonight. Okay ba yun? Next song, this is called Memories. Let's go.
Okay na po ba makisabay tayo?
Yeah. Alright.
And then on the song, sing.
It's look in your eyes. I can't get enough, no way I forget it. Oh, bright baby, tonight between us.
Sing. Let's go.
Okay.
Stay in the moment and keep my focus. Gagawin tong ining kayang gana on this. Kahit pa bumaba, sulit ay di ko na
18.
siya. Huwag ko naman ayaw sa akin.
18, let's go.
Don't know why.
Hey, you guys know this one, let's go.
Feeling like an ecstasy. It got me in a place.
Say what?
When I'm with you. Underneath the spotlight, we've been dancing all night. Feel the pace, the dance of the crowd. Hey, girl. Oh, yeah. I just want to. Baby, going out and on. Even when the dark is the light together. I'm only good at night, baby. 'Cause I really think that you could be the one. Stuck on my mind, day in, day out. When I'm with you, the stars align. You're the only thing that I want to feel.
Sabi ko pa nung dati ayos naman sa
Okay.
Sasalamat ko sa mag-ibig niya.
Okay.
Bakit na rin pinamahal ng kaya?
Making our honest to be.
Floating like a satellite.
Hey, let's go.
With the shining lights, we dance on the fire. Let's do it. Every beat is lucky to be living life with you. There's nothing that we can't do. That's right.
Feeling like an ecstasy. It got me. When I'm with you. Yeah, underneath the spotlight, we've been dancing all night. Feel the breeze lifting us up of the ground. We've been going on and on and on.
Yeah.
Even when the dark is the days to go. The only good that I have ever done. 'Cause I really think that you could be the one. Stuck on my mind. When I'm with you, the stars align. You're the only good I've ever done. I can't wait to feel the love with the memory.
You are one love.
I make sure that I let you know that you are not alone.
That's
Not
you.
alone. This is on you. My focus is on you. Whenever we go through, when we go through.
We be going on and on and on. Even when the dark is the day to come. Got me all I have ever done. 'Cause I really think that you can be the one. Stuck on my mind, making me down. When I'm with you, the stars align. You're the only I ever done. I can't wait to feel the warmth and the memories.
Thank you so much, 18. Thank you so much, Aurora. Let's go. Di ko na makita pa ang liwanag na dati malayo. Patuloy lang sa paglakad ang aking mga paa. Panatag na kailan may di ako mag-isa. Ngunit unti-unti ko pumas lahat ng kulay. Naglaon sila ng dating punong-puno ng buhay. Kinabukasan ay walang patunay. Umaasa na hindi ka pa
Put your flashlights up. Ang ilaw po natin, taas po natin.
paraiso. Yun na nga, nasabay nating binuo. Huwag natin hayaan gumuho. Minuto at segundo, ibibigay ko ang lahat. Hayaan mo na muna na pagpumasan ang iyong bigat. Bigat, hindi lumabas lahat ng kulay. Naglaho ang sigla ng dahil punong-puno ng buhay. Nabukasan man ay walang kulay. Umaasa na hindi na basta mawawala. Kung lahat may hanggan, pwede bang huwag muna akong bitawan? Di ba kung mahal ka, di mo hayaang mawala ng basta. Alam kong pagod ka na. Kung lahat may hanggan, pakiusap mo kung sinuan. Di ba pwedeng balikan ang mga pangako sa ating nakaraan? Iyo bang nalimutan? Di ko na alam, di ko na alam. Ano para sa mga layo-layo na ako na lang sa mga sinimulan. Ayoko na magsisihan ang lahat ng ko na pawagan. Ang lahat may hanggan. Walang saysay ang patuloy lumaban. Di ba para kang tanga kung isasalba mo pa rin ang wala na? Alam kong ubos ka na. Kung lahat may hanggan, pakiusap huwag mo akong subuan. Di na ba mahalaga mga binitawan nating salita? Ang pangalan ang Tumawang simula at wakas na mga bagay-bagay na pinaghirapan. Matatapos na lang ba sa paan? Ito nga bang simula at wakas na lahat ng pangarap nating nilapan? Huwag mong kalimutan ang aking pangalan.
At hindi, napapasaya mo nga kami.
Talaga ba?
Oh, try mo naman i-up mo bigla from malungkot tas i-up mo nila.
Aurora, gusto ko sana marinig. Masaya ba kayo? Masaya ba kayo? Let's go!
Sabi sa'yo eh.
You know what? Maraming salamat ulit. Dahil nag-stay kayo. I know na medyo gabi na talaga. Hindi medyo, gabi na talaga.
Gabi na?
Basta you chose to stay. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Ulitin ko sa mga hindi pa nakakilala sa amin, kami po pala ang SB19. It's our second time here in Aurora. And we are very honored na makapag-perform and nabigyan ng opportunity to be here in front of you guys. Kaya maraming salamat sa pagpunta. At syempre, napaunlakan nyo kaming lahat ngayon. Ayun, maraming salamat. Mahal namin kayong lahat. Thank you.
And syempre, kung na-enjoy nyo po lahat ng mga pinerform namin kanina, galing po yun sa aming latest album na Wakas at Simula, na available na po sa lahat ng streaming platforms online. Sana po mapakinggan nyo Wakas at Simula. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Yung kinanta po namin, hindi po basta pagdadrama yun. Mga personal experience namin siya. Sana po nagustuhan nyo and kung nakaka-relate kayo, stream yung mga awitin namin. Ito lang yung paraan namin para maipahatid kung ano yung mensahe na gusto namin marinig ng mga tao. So ito na po yung last night ng Aurora. Sana po ma-enjoy natin itong gabing ito. Marami pa kami ipa-perform. So papasahin pa kayo ni Josh at ni Ken. Sabi nga ni Justin.
Tama.
But syempre po, this is just the beginning. Kung nag-enjoy po kayo ngayon, syempre please continue to support us as we take P-pop to the global stage. Kasi po kami po ay mag-perform po sa Lollapalooza
Yeah.
in Chicago this coming July 30, 2026. Ayun ang may shirt na Is this for this year? For this
You
year.
gonna
ba?
watch?
Lollapalooza.
Dang.
Wow.
Lollapalooza, here we go.
At syempre po, makakasama nyo rin kami sa Summer Sonic Tokyo!
Tokyo.
And syempre, this coming August 15, 2026. Ayun. Sana po patuloy niyo po kaming suportahan sa mga ganap po na yan.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, pasahin naman natin kasi medyo lumungkot tayo, no? Ready pa ba pumarty yung mga mommies natin dyan? Mga mommies, mga daddies na nasa audience, kaya ba natin maki-jump-jump? May energy pa ba tayo? Kasi yung mga katabi nating bagets medyo energetic pa yan eh. Pero yung mga mommy daddy dyan, ang tanong, buhay pa ba kayo? Okay, dahil ang next segment na po natin, ito na yung hinihintay nyo, yung party-party sayawan. Tama? Pero meron kami isang request, pwede ba pag sinabi namin dance, talagang da-dance kayo? Promise ha?
Ang hindi...
Pero bago lahat, ano na?
Ang hindi mag-dance-dance, ibig sabihin trentahin. Diba?
Dance ka nga.
Dance ka nga!
Dance ka nga.
Alam niyo,
Hindi nag-dance! Hindi nag-dance!
kaya SB19 ang pangalan kasi 19 years old po kami lahat dito. Ako po yung 18. Shh! Quiet!
Pero may isa pa kami request. Okay lang ba manghingi ng remembrance sa inyo? Siyempre wala kayong magagawa. Picture tayo. Okay lang, mag-picture with you.
Picture po tayo!
Aurora, okay lang? Okay, pag sumigaw kami ng 1, 2, 3, sabay-sabay tayo ng Aurora Music Festival 2026! Okay lang ba yun? Okay lang kahit mahaba? Sige, Aurora 2026! Yan na lang, okay? Okay, in 3, 2, 1! One more time in 3, 2, 1! Thank you so much, everyone! And because of that, we promise you to bring you the best, the amazing stage for tonight. Please welcome once again, we are SB19 to give you the best performance for tonight. This is your favorite VISA Visa!
Kasi yung mga
Let's go!
Let's get it.
Ramdam niyo ba?
Sabi ng marami swerte raw ang makaabag ka ng tae. Sabi na ilayo lang nila kada sila na may panay. Amoy tagumpay, panis sa husay, delivery sakay. Kung samurai, manapakasay, baliktad mo na talingon may araw.
Teka lang! Di naman kailangan ba ito ipayabang? Kaya ako na lang magmadlang. Di ko lang kumawit ang mga bakit pinag-isang. Buha ka na ano raw? Wake up and down. Kung di ka maingay, you don't have to make a sound. And that was up, you was free. Yeah, at the top. Tanda ko ba nung araw humiling? Sa buwala ko ay nag-bang, bang, bang. Parang araw ko ay titingalain. Kasi ngaya ako ay magaling. Wala ba inutin? Wala. Kahit na anong magawin. Ano pa? Baka naman kailangan lang ng pinsan. Kaya tupalo na lang rin ng pinsan. Ang hirap talaga lumipad kahit na may patunay na kaya na kailangan pa ng visa. Napunan kita, bitbit ko ng mga friend. Alam na mawagaling na gusto lahat sa ating sinain. Nagdumating, nagreklamo, bakit tayo kanin? Sorry, pasensya ka na. Alam kong napagod ka sa pagpayabang. What if kalma ng nadalas ka? Ito, masaya na kahit mailan na para pang pagkatilang. May sa baba sa taas meron ng David Pasco, M. Jacinto, O. Rodrigo, Bruno, Nico, Joseph. Ay baka naman.
Yeah. Let's go! Why wala pa rin ito? Kahit na ano pa gawin, kaya naman kailangan ng visa. Kaya kung paano gawin ang gansa.
Why break wala pa rin dating? Why break wala pa rin dating? Kahit na ano ba gawin? Kahit na ano ba gawin?
Why break? Wala pa rin dating.
Why break wala pa rin dating? Kahit na ano ba gawin?
Why hina.
I know you know this one.
Let's do this once again.
Everybody up. I want some, I get some, no later. I woke up on baked dead potato. Got cars shake me for major, but I stay lean, not mediocre.
You tell me what you see, I'm Gucci. We're catching this is real me. I'm gonna be that the thing I'm a reality. You see, madam me, ew.
Yeah, I'm gonna see you later. But the love is gonna shower. You don't have to go power. Kulang pa sa sour mga hater kaya alamin ang mga bagay-bagay. Baka pwedeng anay sa aking bahay. Himik lang daw ang matibay. Pero pag tinupag talagang mag-ingay.
Gento, dito basta bingo. Dito, makagado parang bento. Gento, anong kaya mo?
Sino kayang buburang nakakita lang ng ginto? Ginto, kahit na wala pang ginto. Ginto, pasinto bawat bitaw ko. Mismo, ito kaya mo.
Ikaw basta magkakagita ng gento.
Ginto! Ginto! Di ko basta makakakita ng ginto.
Di ko na kailangan yung unang bato. Hindi maladaan ako. Aandar ang makina ko. Basta yung mekaniko. Kaya ko, lalak mo yung bulik. Dami pinagdaan, nagpatong ng historiko. Dos magis mo sa linas kung manita rin.
Oh, di naman talaga madali. Amin ko pa manombe. Talaga naman talagang pag-ibig. Ay manan kong di listo. Laging ang listo. Ay ipasin ang pisto. Tiglupog na beast mo. Na beast ko!
Kung ay galing sa lupa, kahit pilitin mo ay tingin mo makukuha.
Yeah, I know this isn't over. Like a some disaster. Alam ko na I'm in danger. Gusto mo magiging kaya.
Alamin ang mga bagay-bagay. Pwedeng tambay sa aking bahay. Lahat ng mga kakailan. Sundugin ang matuto ng mga nila.
gusto pa nila.
Alis na ba kami?
Aurora, uwi na ba kayo?
Pero may napansin ako eh. Hindi sumayaw yung mga tita at tito dyan. Sumayaw ba kayo? Ganito ba kayo mag-party sa Clark? For our next song, pwede ba kayo sumayaw lahat? O kaya tumalon? Okay ba yan? Kundi, bababa na kami. Bababa kami kasi sasayaw kayo.
What if
Stage dive.
kalmahan lang natin, let's go. 18, ready na ba pumari? Pag sinabi namin talon, talon ha. SB, ready na sila. Kayo
Gusto ko
ba?
muna i-try. Gusto ko muna i-try.
Ha?
Gusto ko muna i-try.
Sige, try mo.
Pwede ba tumalon? Kahit mga 5 jumps lang. Mini jumps. Okay.
Practice.
Zumba pala, Zumba.
Zumba. Nag-zumba ba kayo?
Pangtito yun eh,
Talaga dito
pangtito.
mo pa tinanong ha.
Para sa'yo.
Okay. Can we try? 1, 2, 3, jump! 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 Ayan. Kaya naman pala. Kasi po pag hindi kayo tumalon, babasain namin kayo. Alright? Scream if you want more! Louder!
Aurora, maraming salamat. Muli, this is our home. This is our sound. This is Win SB19! Let's go! Thank you so much, Aurora. We love you! Have a great night!
Have a great night!
Oh my gosh, what a magical night it has been. And of course, this magical night would not be complete without our awesome partners and sponsors.
Yes, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga sumuporta at naniwala sa Aurora Music Fest Year 5!
Yes, maraming salamat, Aurora fam. Don't forget to share your moments online. Use our official hashtags when you post on your social media accounts. Hashtag Aurora Music Fest 2026.
And remember, all on the go yung converge natin as well, no? Siyempre, nanalo ka rin ang ating winners.
Maglagay talaga ng SB19.
Yes, congratulations again.
Nag-drip kami.
Sinali
Sinalisong nila yung ano, swimsuit.
Once again, congratulations. And again, grabe talaga, what a way to end the night. Diba? Join
Yes.
in Jay.
Really excited pa for 2027.
And our Music Fest 2026. But we can only wait for the next year. Kaya naman, para po sa mga babalik bukas, wala na pong day
Wait lang.
3.
Crimson Drip kami. Crimson Drip! Drip! Grabe pagod. Sobrang pagod. Sakit ng binti, ng paa, ng balakang. Pero sulit naman. Nag-trip ba ng ano, yung last part ng SB19. Hindi ako nakapag-live sa loob dahil walang signal sa loob ng Aurora Festival. As in, halos lahat ng network wala, ayaw pumasok. Kaya hindi tayo nakapag-live. Bale, i-upload ko na lang po yung mga ano, yung mga na-record natin na performance ng mga artists na nag-perform dito sa Aurora Festival. Pauwi na. Ayun na nga, nasulit ang aking 3 weeks na bakasyon dahil nakapanood ako ng SB19 sa Aurora Festival, Music Festival. Yun, first time ko rin sa Aurora. Kaya yun, sulit na sulit ang aking naging bakasyon. Ayun nga, baka this week babalik na ulit tayo. Back to normal, back to work tayo. Balik na tayo sa Japan para makapagtrabaho. Sulit lang ang birthday ko. Nag-celebrate ako ng birthday sa Pilipinas. At yun nga, nakapag-drip sa concert ng SB19. Siyempre sa Aurora Music Festival. SBIP! Peace out!